where we would like to focus from India's integrated medtech hub into a global hub for intelligent device and the procreation center. We would like to come up as a pillar for that, and absolutely what the need of our is the innovation center. We would like to powerhouse this Hyderabad as a global innovation center for tomorrow, from hosting the world's top 10 pharma and also the major vaccine companies, and becoming the global command circle of innovation. This is our vision in 2047, the vision document which will be released by our Chief Minister, Mr. Revant Reddy. And with this hope, I could able to convince most of the global players to come and part and be parcel of our ecosystem. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for a truly inspiring sharing your vision for a very strategic and all the moves. And it was really a privilege to listen to some very important inputs that would become essential elements as we progress from today to 2047 in realizing the vision. On that note, I think it was a privilege to be part of the panel, and I thank all the panelists, esteemed members, and Honorable Minister for their valuable time.
Thank you so much, Minister Garu. Thank you, Dr. Srinivas Garu, and all our panelists for such a thoughtful and a forward-looking discussion. Before we conclude, I request Honorable Minister Garu to felicitate our panelists. We'll start with Dr. Chava, Dr. Satyanarayana Chava, Chairman, CEO, Laurus Labs. I request Minister Garu to felicitate our panelists here on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Satyanarayana Chava, Chairman, CEO, Laurus Labs. Dr. Madan Mohan Reddy, Director, Aurobindo Pharma. Dr. Anand Kumar, Managing Director, IIL. Ms. Priyanka Chigurupati, Executive Director, Granules India Limited. Dr. Srinivas Oruganti, our moderator for this panel. Director, Dr. Reddy's Institute of Life Sciences. And now I request all of you to please step forward for a group photograph. And I request Sri Sanjay Kumar Garu and Sri Shakti Nagappa Garu, Director for Life Sciences and Pharma, Government of Telangana, to please join us on stage for a picture. Sri Sanjay Kumar Garu and Sri Shakti Nagappa Garu. Once again, thanking our panelists for joining us on stage for such a thoughtful discussion. On behalf of the organizers and everyone present here, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for your time, knowledge and your commitment to shaping Telangana's life sciences vision for 2047. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to move on to our next session of our panel discussion, and that's investing in inclusion, prospects in affordable housing. In just few minutes, we are about to begin the next panel discussion that is set for the day.
By 9 shades चाहिए 9.
I request, I can see many of you all standing back there. So I request all of you to please take your seats, make yourself comfortable and engage yourself in such a wonderful discussions that's happening here since morning. Moving on to the next panel discussion, which carries the theme, investing in inclusion prospects in affordable housing. Our next session explores an issue at the heart of equitable development, affordable housing. As Telangana grows, the question becomes, how do we build spaces that are not only accessible and climate resilient, but also reflect dignity and community? We begin with our distinguished speakers who bring in their deep experience across sustainability, environmental planning and social infrastructure.
depth. So may I request Ms. Kranti to present the mementos. These are also a special mementos, the Cheriala artwork and the Pochampalli shawls. Please put your hands together for all the speakers for giving us the insight on the heritage, creativity and the sustainable planning coming together to shape the vibrant destinations. Thank you so much to Jupalli Krishna Rao Garu and also Srimati Surekha Garu. Thank you so much, ma'am. Our next session will start immediately. The shawls are having the geographical indicators with them
Special.
that shows that they've been directly from the
I'd request Mr. Gautam Garu, Special Secretary Housing, to please join us on the dais. And now let me welcome our distinguished panelists who are here to join us in the summit in the panel discussion this morning. We'll start with Mr. Vasudevan Suresh Garu, former CMD, HUDCO. Mr. Vasudevan has served in HUDCO in various capacities for 23 plus years and has become the CMD of the HUDCO, during which HUDCO registered all-round growth in housing, infrastructure development and finances with techno-financial assistance and many others, retail finances as well. Let's welcome Mr. Vasudevan Suresh Garu on stage. May we have on stage Mr. Abhijit Shankar Ray, Senior Urban Specialist, World Bank. Mr. Abhijit Shankar Ray is a Senior Urban Development Specialist based out of World Bank's office in New Delhi, bringing 20 years of experience of working in the urban sector in and Southeast Asia. Very warm welcome to you, sir. May we also have on stage Dr. P.S.N. Rao, Dean and Professor of SPA, Delhi. Professor Dr. P.S.N. Rao is a very well-known urban planning, housing and real estate expert of India with 38 years of experience. Welcome, sir. May we also have on stage Mr. G. Rami Reddy Garu, President-elect CREDAI National. Mr. Rami Reddy Garu is an entrepreneur, philanthropist and current CMD of ARK Group. As a leader in his organization, the industry and community, he stands tall with an illustrious career of 34 plus years. A very warm welcome to you, sir. May I now invite Mr. Nandakishore Garu, MD, Ramke Estates and Farms Limited. A very warm welcome to Mr. Nandakishore Garu, MD, Ramke Estates and Farms Limited. May we also invite Mr. Ajitesh Garu, founder of ASBL. Mr. Ajitesh Korupolu, founder of ASBL. And now may I invite the moderator of this panel discussion this morning, Mr. Preetham Mehra, Senior Executive Director and Head, Government Practice, CBRE, India. Let me welcome Mr. Preetham Mehra, who is going to moderate this panel discussion this morning. Over to you, sir.